Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. We are going to be covering chapter 13 with it, which is contributing to the profession this week. You need to go ahead and read that chapter, and it covers actually some really important information such as characteristics of professionals, as well as NACE Code of Professional Ethics, becoming an advocate, and the importance of research in our profession. So you want to go ahead and read that chapter, and then I will open up my PowerPoints for you to have as a resource as well. You also want to complete our discussion, and this week it's covering our experiences of a program administrator support. You want your original post will be at least 100 words in length and will be due Wednesday by 11:59, and then your two peer posts will be due Friday by 11:59. So make sure you get those in. And you want to make sure they're at least 50 words or more in length, your peer posts. So then the next big assignment, I should say, is actually our staff handbook. And that is going to be due by December 2nd by 11:59. We won't be meeting again prior to that. So I wanted to go over it and make sure you all knew the expectations. So a staff handbook is actually a document that contains the company's operating procedures, and it usually will be delivered to a worker upon their first day of employment. Employers utilize this handbook to establish important policies that are expected in the workplace and to protect the rights of both the employees and the employers, right? This is an opportunity for you to develop your skills, your policy and procedure writing skills. So you're going to choose 5 topics from the list generated below, 2 of which you will write out in full, just like the handbook you just turned in last week. It's something similar, but this you're going to pick 5 and write out 2 in full. You want to make sure to be aware of EDD laws, so make sure you look those up as well, so you are including that. You want to make sure you have a table of contents that include the center's guiding principles, such as philosophy, goals, curriculum, discipline, staff, and parents, very similar to the last handbook that you created. So it just kind of talks a little bit about personnel policies, which will include staff development, employee benefits, standards of conduct, disciplinary action, code of ethics, performance evals, grievance procedures, resignation, and social media. And then I listed some other ones here: attendance, dress code, health, conduct, benefits, emergency policies, professional growth, pay scale, termination, the schedule, conflict of interest, harassment, promotions. These are all subtitles under the bolded information of employment information or personnel policies, health procedures. What else is there here? And then there is emergency procedures. So that would be the bold caption. There are also some other topics: mandated reporting responsibility. There's health procedures, accident prevention and first aid, emergency procedures, safety procedures, releasing a child from the center, and employee health and safety. Here is a sample that you can click on. It will take you right to a great sample that has all of these in it. As you can see, you'll scroll down the table of contents, and this is what I was talking about. Do you see how the caption is bold? And these are the guiding principle, employment information. So you are going to, your table of contents will look like this, but you'll only be writing out 2 of them in full, okay? Meaning one whole, if you choose accident prevention and first aid, if you have 2 of them in here, maybe injury and first aid, you'll be writing both of these up, okay? So go ahead and use this as an example. Let me go ahead and go back out of this. And if you have any questions, please email me. I hope you all have a wonderful week. I know this is Thanksgiving week, so please have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you have any questions, please do give me an email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and have a great week.